Hi everyone, this is Horma from Garden Plant Lover. I'm going to show how I stake my tomato plants, indeterminate tomato plants today. For staking, I use 8 feet stakes, and then I train them spiraling up to that stake. I leave 1 or 2 main vines, which I'm gonna show in a little bit. To do the Italian grandfather style training, first of all, we should get rid of the side shoots and the lower leaves. As you can see here, lower leaves started to get some insect bites, and then some demonstration of illnesses. So I'm going to prune them off so that tomato plant would put more energy to the top. Also, I am going to take these side shoots. These are the suckers, or called side shoots. They grow 45 degrees between the main stem and the plant, but the rest are the leaves. But these are the suckers, which means like they look like a little tomato plant, and if you let them go, they produce tomatoes from here. But for the staking, I will have to take them off. If you put the camera here, I'm gonna take these out so the tomato plant can put more energy to the top, and then it would be easier to stake the plant. Now I'm going to put the stake right here. I'm going to put the stake outer side of it, so that I will have more room between here and here for the airflow. I put it into the ground as I put it to the ground until it stops and it is firm. And you really don't have to put this much space in here. You just can put the stake over here just to spiral it up. But I need more flow since we have a hot humid area in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lean this tomato plant towards the stake, and then I'm going to start tie it with the tape, the craft tape. The first one comes to the bottom to keep the tomato plant firm. And then after that, I'm going to train it. To be able to do it, tomato plants should be still flexible and tender so that you can train them. Otherwise, once the the stems get stiffened, it's very hard to train them, and the chance of breaking increases. So it should be done timely, and also it's not a one-time training. As they grow, I have some plants over there which I'm gonna show. As they grow, I will be training them over the stake, and I have here the side shoots, so I will have to get rid of them. But as you can see here, it has the plant naturally divided into 2 main stems here. So I'm going to leave both of them there, so this tomato plant will have two main stems. And also, if the plant has the blooms or the pods, just make sure that it faces toward outside of the stake. You would not do this here because it would damage the blooms. It always should look to the outside of the stakes. It is easy, but it should be done timely, and also you should be very careful with the stems and with the vines. But on the other hand, you should be very brave with your tomato plants. Otherwise, it's a little bit hard. So I tied them with the craft tape within a few inches, and then as the plant goes on, I will be spiraling it around the stake and then tie them more. I have bigger plants over there. Let's go there, and then let me show you how to do the upper side of it. These are newly planted tomato plants. I don't stake them right after I plant them. I just wait until they collect themselves and put some strength. If I stake them at this moment, the vines don't get thickened. I need them to thicken the vines and grow a little bit more, so the plant would grow a strong vines. Here I have larger tomatoes. Here I have larger tomatoes. This one has two main vines, so I will be training. I will have to train them spiraling two main vines. I'm gonna show in a little bit, but the main thing here, as they grow, the vines keep putting out side shoots. As you can see here, this one is side shoot, this one, and all over the vines bodies are side shoots. So we don't need them at this moment. I get rid of all of the side shoots until they reach 4 or 5 feet tall, and then after that I just let go all the side shoots. What I'm going to do here is I am taking the side shoots first. Okay. Here, this one is a very large one. This one right here grow really large, but my main stem is right here. My main stem is right here. This is the sucker. So I'm going to get rid of this one too. Some people clone this, put it into the water, and make another seedling from this. I don't practice that because I grow enough tomato plants from seeds, so I just compost the side shoots. So here we are. It's very tricky a little bit. Not a little bit, it is tricky. They just keep putting a lot of suckers. So here I got my tape, and right now I have to be very careful with the vines. Also I have blooms right here, so I have to be careful with the blooms too. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this this leaf so I can see what I'm doing. I'm putting them, I'm gonna make them like cross. So in here they divide into two. So as they go, they both have to spiral around. I have a worm poop here. I have to go out and check at night. It is likely that worms started to attack. This is a worm poop. I hope this video will help you with understanding and tomato plants and how to train them. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. And thank you for watching. It started to rain. I have to go inside very soon. Bye. See you next time.